Yo, what up fam? This is your Papa Emo. And today, papakita ko sa inyo yung room namin na aayusin ko pala, i-arrange ko ngayon kasi kakarating lang ng bagong mesa nasa labas. Ito yung original na mesa. Dapat may salamin pero obviously hindi na namin dinala kasi from Manila to Mindanao. Malakas yung chance yun na mabasag. So, ayun, habang nag-aantay ng Modern Warfare, andun yung anak ko. He's just goofing around, he doesn't do anything.
I'm surfing out because I want a water bed. It's a normal bed, but
Touche,
water.
surfing on the bed, on a pillow on the bed, so you get the point. Bali dito ko siya balak ilagay para maging working station kasi nandun yung mga saksakan, and then that I don't know if it's gonna be kept or moved. So ayan, so ito yung bagong dating na mesa. I don't know kung anong type ng kahoy, but yeah, looks makapal, sturdy and stuff. So far, ito na yung naayos natin. Meron pang bagong dumating. Ayusin. And ito, marami pa dun sa likod. Mga sapatos namin. And then these, ito yung mga naayos ko na. Pero parang hindi pa din. So yun, update lang naman sa mga may pake. Ayan. Kita kits. Don't forget to follow and like. Yeah.